Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let you show you the way how you can find the deleted files on your iPhone. So first let's just open the files here, open it, and then let's try to delete one document here. So let's say I want to delete this one, so let me delete it first. Okay, now this file is disappeared, and how we can bring those back, you just need to take a look on the top side here. That could be this three small dot and this browse with this arrows. Tap into this and you can see the locations. That could be the iCloud drive on my iPhone, Grammarly if you have a grammar, and recently deleted. So you just need to visit this folder. The recently deleted folder will be keep your file that you just delayed for at least 30 days duration, so that it just to pick up your files, and just in case that you are missing deleting some files here. So if you want to bring those back, just click and hold into the files, and there could be an option to recover it. So you just need to tap the recover, and you just need to go back into your own iPhone, and you can see that the files are already back to place. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, guys, and if you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.